Italy. Our Italy. Everyone's Italy. Land full of history and memories. Land with green fields and ancient statues. Land of wild beaches and steep hills. Land of beauty. A beauty able to overcome time and storms. The ancient beauty that molds our present. The live beauty that does not fear the darkness of difficult times. We guide a demanding clientele throughout the search of the extraordinary. Our mission is to preserve this beauty. Our mission is to share it with whomever loves our land. This is why we exist, because we know that our country is our greatest treasure. We are Lionard.